buy Amazon gift card. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to buy Amazon gift card. So first of all, just open your preferred browser, and after that just simply search for Amazon gift card and you will be redirected to the Amazon website, and here you will have the gift card options. So you can select the gift card from this page, Amazon gift card and special gift card. So just click on Amazon gift card, and after that just scroll down and select the form of the card that you want to receive. So if you want to receive an e-form of a card, so you just simply click on e-gift card, and if you want a physical copy of a gift card, so you just simply click on physical gift card. So just select accordingly, and after that from this page you have to select the look and feel of the gift card from the options given below. So select the one that you like the most, and after that when you scroll down you will see the option to add the amount in your gift card. So just select the amount that you want to add in your gift card, for example $100, and after that you will see the delivery options, email or text message. So you can select the email or text message, and once you make your purchase, your Amazon e-card will be emailed to you, and then you will be able to redeem your gift card through your email address. The process is quite similar and it won't take much time. And after that just go ahead and enter the email address on which you want to get your Amazon gift card, and here you can also enter the email address of the person you want to send the gift card, for example your friends or family. And after that just mention the name of the person to whom you're sending the gift card, and you can also write a personalized message for them if you want to, and just select the quantity of the card that you want. And you can also select the delivery date either from the calendar given below, or you can select now, because it's an e-form of a card, it won't take much time as I told you earlier. And once you fill in all these details, just click on add to cart, and then your card will be sent to the email address that you have mentioned, and this way you will be able to buy Amazon gift card. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.